you are gonna see the ring light in my glasses. Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So not yesterday, the day before, I sat down and I started doing a bunch of crafts for Christmas, just different ideas I've had that I've wanted to do for the house. So I just wanted to start this video there. I'm gonna start playing some past clips for you guys, cleaning the house from yesterday and just making crafts the day before. I am in my jammies this morning, so I'm about to change. My mom and I are heading out to Bath & Body Works, do some grocery shopping and different stuff. So you guys go ahead and enjoy the craft footage, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So when I sat down to do this craft, I definitely had a specific inspiration in mind from these pom-pom Christmas trees at Target. I think they were like $15, $20, and I figured they probably have the same type of thing at Home Goods or Marshalls or something. Now, I haven't been to Marshalls or Home Goods or something in quite some time, and I love to go there around the holiday season. I just haven't been there yet. But these pom-pom trees or pom-pom decorations in general just seem to be very popular this year, and I just can't simply miss out on like a furry pom-pom, I don't know, fluffy aesthetic, you know? So of course my first step in this process was to go to Pinterest and get inspired and find some easy ways and realistic ways that I can make a ton of these pom-poms. I wanted something easy and quick, and this was the method I decided to go with. Now I'm going to show you a couple times in case you don't exactly get what I'm doing. My boyfriend made this little cardboard helper, this little tool that I'm tying the yarn around. Throughout the process, I kind of started to realize that maybe using my fingers was just as easy, but my yarn is from Walmart and I think it was maybe $6 or $7. Making these was actually kind of soothing and relaxing, and it was really fun, and I ended up with a lot of them really quick, so it really wasn't a trouble to make them. Finally, I got my piece out that we're going to be covering. Now, this is just an upcycled Christmas decoration at this point. I had this out at my house last year. It's just a sequin tree. I'm not exactly sure where it's from. I took a little yarn around the base of it, and now we're gonna start to glue on those pom-poms. And now I started with a craft glue, a craft fabric glue that I wasn't crazy about. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this craft glue with a little bit of E6000 from the inside as well. Another project I had been working on earlier in the day was this pom-pom wreath. I just decided to use a different type of yarn for this idea, and I found with making groups of pom-poms at a time, it was so much easier. And then with these pom-poms as well, I kind of found out that if you brush them with just a regular hairbrush, it makes them more frayed and looks more full as a pom-pom. So I kind of work and do that as well. You'll just kind of see me play with these pom-poms and kind of create this string wreath idea. I was also inspired by Target. I set my tree up to let it dry, and I think it turned out so cute so far, and then you'll see the wreath later on in the video. Throwing in some cleaning clips from the other evening. I think it's kind of satisfying sometimes to watch like people's cleaning vlogs and different stuff. I don't know, it's just like fun. On TikTok too, watching it go from dirty to clean is just, yeah, satisfying. Also, if you like to use reusable straws, then this tool is a necessity for you. I actually got this scrubbing tool with my straw package from Amazon. If you guys want to get the same thing, I'll link it in the description box below. It is just so handy. Then I had this idea to do like snowflakes, just old school paper snowflakes in the window. My boyfriend kind of gave me that idea, so I ran with it. And here's me just kind of creating those paper snowflakes, fixing the shape, making them fit the window. And then you'll see what I kind of turn them into later on in the video. Now before this evening comes to a close, I have been craving Muddy Buddies. I've been wanting them so bad. Not just Muddy Buddies from the bag at the gas station, I'm talking homemade. So I went out, I got some supplies. I realized that I hardly had any peanut butter left once I got home. I thought I had more than what I had. And I didn't remember that we were supposed to use chocolate chips. So I'm using the M&Ms in place of the chocolate chips. Originally, I was just gonna like add the M&Ms into the mixture and I thought it would be good, but melting them down. I'm literally just following the recipe that's on the Chex cereal box. Nothing special. I can't remember how I did them last year or last time that I did them. I can't even remember the last time that I made it. So once I melted the mixture down, I just dumped it over the cereal and then transferred it over to a Ziploc bag so that I could add my powdered sugar and then stir it all up. Now melting down those M&Ms was probably the best idea I could have had because it kind of made it look like confetti and it turned out so cute and it looks so good. And once I got home from spending the day with my mom and shopping and different stuff, I picked up this cute little, I don't know, deer antler ornament that I felt was perfect. Just the perfect touch for my wreath. So we added it. I haven't really had time to do my pedicure lately. It's not even that grown out, or I don't know, it hasn't been that long, I guess, since I did it last. But last time I did, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do this quick, get it over with just so that they're done. So I haven't really liked the color that was on them. I had this green and I'm over it. So I'm going in with my Dremel, just getting off my green gel polish. And after I'm done prepping my nails, I really just get right into the relaxation part. It is just so relaxing to be able to sit here and soak and watch TV, I don't know, catch up on my phone, edit pictures, anything, work on the laptop even. So I use this sugar scrub on my feet and I just let that soak for a little bit and relax. And then I'm going back in and roughening up my nails again so that I have a good application. As soon as I started to paint my French tips, I noticed that my camera battery was about to die and I didn't have any charging, of course, so I kept doing it off camera. I don't have any clips to finish up the pedicure, unfortunately, but yesterday I finally got around to give you guys a final show of how my snow toes turned out, along with my new Christmas nail set as well. And if you guys want to catch that tutorial, you'll find it in next week's video.